it's his face. Because he's like... Because you can't go... It almost seems like it's from another country. This is Ukrainian death metal, dude. It's so hard.
I'm about to show you my favorite video on the internet.
If gorillas did death metal in real life, this is Pig Squeal.
This is my favorite video on the internet. This will explain death metal voices to you perfectly.
Growl. Grunt. Big squeal.
Wait, even that's the whole video.
Big squeal.
So serious, dude. He's like, I can be in your band. I'll send you a video right now. I can do all the voices.
That's my favorite video on the internet, dude. It makes me laugh every time. Like, I imagine like someone giving a eulogy at a funeral, and then someone just stands up, Grunt.
Big squeal.
Like, okay, we know you can play guitar. What can you do on the mic? You want to know what I could do on the mic?
Growl.
Just give us a growl. Just throw a growl out. Like, they're auditioning for, like, an actor. Like, he's not even a death metal guy. He's like, I can do all of them. I've done my research.
Yeah, I'd like to play the part of the heavy metal singer.
Axel Corp's face.
Grunt.
They're behind the camera like, this is fucking good.
Yeah, Pig Squeal.
I can't even do it.
The video's on YouTube, man.
Oh my god, dude.
That's the funniest one. That's the funniest one of all time.
Wow.
There's a video, like a shock video. It's called Glass Ass. It's where this guy literally sits on a mason jar and it breaks, and it's a terrible video. But someone was like joking that he's like, instead of saying Pig Squeal, he's like Glass Ass.
That's so good.
I'm taking you haven't seen the Pig Squeal Girl?
No, I haven't seen anything.
Oh my god, check out Pig Squeal Girl. It's not quite as good, but it's still pretty, it's still amazing.
It's just, honestly, this should just be an internet clip show. This is more fun than even anything we're doing.
Fucking video. This one's really good too.
You raised the bar with that last one, man.
Hi, well, I'm Brittany, and
she's
my
probably
last
gonna
Pig
sing
Squeal
something
video sucked, so I'm gonna be doing a redo. Okay?
She doing a real Pig Squeal?
Yeah.
Sounds like she's doing death metal.
Okay, well, bye.
What the fuck?
Or my last Pig Squeal video sucked.
She sounded pretty hardcore though.
Dude, Pig Squeal is like a death metal voice scream. That's like the whole. It's like it just sounds like a pig squeal.
Yeah, yeah.
I can't do it.
I think Cannibal Corpse does that sometimes.
Yeah, that high, that crazy. Like they're not exhaling, they're inhaling, and they. Like, I don't know how the fuck they do it, but.
Wow.
Yeah, I remember the first time I saw Grunt, Growl, Pig Squeal. It was like, this is the best video I've ever seen.
I'm fucking laughing at it.
Do you know? Are you familiar at all with the Cannibal Corpse singer?
Yeah, Chris Barnes.
George Corpsegrind?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you really?
You
Is the camera off?
No, it's on.
Oh, you need to come in here?
I'm about to break.
Yeah, come on down. I think we got it.
Yeah.
Anyways.
That was probably 3 hours of shit.